everyone, and welcome back to MO2 Cubing. I'm just making this video because recently I saw a video in which it was a V-Cube blind reassemble. I thought it was really cool, but the one thing that I thought was missing was that, like, it was reassembled scrambled. And so I thought, why don't I reassemble my Chi MS 3x3 blindfolded and get it solved. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this, so hopefully I get it right. I'm going to try and do this. Alright, here we go. Alright, so the cube is set up and it's time for me to solve it. Alright, here we go. Whew, I am so, nervous right now. Okay, so yes, start the timer, right? Inspection time. Alright, get the cube oriented. The heck? Okay. Hopefully this works. Gotta take my glasses off so that I can't see. Okay. Wait, the timer's at 18 seconds. Okay. Yeah. 7 minutes, 13 seconds. Oh, and it's a +2. Anyway, yeah, be sure to subscribe if you want more nonsense like this. See you guys in the next video.